This is the Auto Form CRM dashboard. The first thing you see when you open the plugin inside WordPress. Everything your CRM knows lives here in one view. Up top, your headline numbers, total contacts, open deals, pipeline value, and tasks. One glance tells you where things stand. Below that, tasks due today. If something needs your attention, it's right here. Right now we're caught up, nothing due. Next to it, deals by stage. This breaks your pipeline down: lead, qualified, proposal, and on through to close, so you can see exactly where every deal sits. On the left is your full CRM: contacts, lists, tags, deals, e-commerce, conversations, email templates, campaigns, meetings, and more. We'll walk through each one in this series, and the whole dashboard is customizable. Hit Customize in the top right to arrange it around how you actually work. That's the dashboard, your entire CRM, one screen inside WordPress. Try Auto Form CRM yourself at autoformcrm.com. Just add your name and email, and you're in.